Magic Trackpad's broken glass replacement tutorial. First, you need to prepare a knife. Complementary with the purchase of glass by knife. If the degree of broken glass is not very serious, then you can choose to use the home fruit knife. The glass needs to be heated first before disassembly. The tip will be softened by the heat before it can be removed. On my side, the glass was heated up in advance, before the video recording. It is recommended to start disassembly from the most broken point. You can see the black contact plate, and the bezel has a layer of white adhesive pad. Do not damage. Note that the knife cuts in parallel to the cut. Do not insert into the black panel and under the white adhesive pad. Be careful not to injure your hand when using a pocket knife. After the parallel cutting, we can slide down the trend. Clean up broken glass in time during disassembly. If the glass cools down during disassembly, use the hot air blower again to soften the adhesive paper to facilitate disassembly. After removing the glass, take care to remove the glass debris carefully by hand. Before removing, the glue can be heated again with a hot air blower. Will be easier to remove the glue. Usually we can remove it easily with alcohol swabs. Here I recommend one of my better electric adhesive paper removal gadgets. After the tape is removed, we wipe it clean with a new alcohol pad. Remove the new adhesive paper in all set after wiping. Note that the adhesive paper must be aligned with the two top corners slowly glued on. After gluing, we use a card slowly pushed downward. Must be the tip within the air out. Tear off the outer layer after it is completely glued. Note that when tearing, found that the adhesive paper is not well glued. Gently press and then tear. Or use a knife to gently press a little. Never use your hands to touch the inner layer of adhesive paper. Remove the new glass from the set. Note the separation of all front and back. There is a frosted seal for the front. Be a little careful when pasting the glass, because once glued on it is very difficult to take off. It is recommended to stand up and calibrate vertically. If you need to buy or place the glass, you can place an order on our official website. This is the end of the tutorial sharing. Thank you for watching.